Okay, so we're going to do a little bit of welding here, just to give you a little demonstration of what I can do. I don't have a video of it yet. So here's my Easy MIG 100, as you guys have seen. And here's just some, I don't know what kind of metal it is, just some crap I garbage picked. And I'm going to clean up the surface a little bit. But I'm just going to do a little demo here. Got the machine plugged in. Turn it on. It's on minimum right now, just because this is deep in. Here's that. Got your ground clamp. I'm wearing my Harbor Freight auto darkening mat. And so here we're just gonna run a bead, see how that looks. Okay, here we go. The tip slag off. Keep that steady. Okay. Now let's see if we can get. That looks pretty nice. I was moving in a moon, little crescent moon shape, and so it looks pretty nice. Yeah, so that's a demonstration of my welding abilities.